Hi there, welcome back to JD Answers. Today I'll be going over some smartwatch watch bands. Right now I have several watch bands. It's from a brand called Kyuty, if I said that right. It's Kyuty. They come in several colors and styles. Here we have the regular silicone style, and we have a two-tone style. The inner one here is a gray with the black, and a blue with the black on the outside. All right. They also come with a two-tone in a red on the inside and black on the outside. They got white on the inside, black on the outside. And for solid colors, they come in a royal blue, dark blue, a red, orange, yellow, green, white. They have all several colors to choose from. And of course the green color that I got here as well. If you're like me, it's time to buy a new band. You had your watch for several years now. And if you can see on my band here, it has already a tear, and where the links are, it's missing a piece there too as well. Now, so to me, it was time to buy a new watch band. I'm actually a fan of red. Red's my favorite color, so I went to Amazon and I got this red band, which I like very much. And this is by Reebok. And if you want to see the facts about this, or how how you take the links off and so forth, I'll have the video link for you up here in the corner. Now, so this was my first choice, but then I thought about, you know what? That's nice for the office or even, work here and there, but I want something more sporty when I go to the gym, or if I'm at the beach and so forth. I want to sport it up a little bit. So now these watch bands are a 22 millimeter lug width. These also fit the Samsung Galaxy Watch, the Samsung S3 watch, the Samsung 3 watch, the Classic watch, pretty much the 45 millimeter style and the 46 millimeter style. So they all fit that. They also fit the TechWatch Pro smartwatch, another 22 millimeter. And with my other watch right here, if you could see it, from the Galaxy S3 watch was 22. So these are 22. So these all are compatible with this here. And what I like about this, it already comes with the smart pull to take these on or off here. All right. So let's go ahead and take the watch band off here that I have. And again, with that smart pull, you simply pull down, pull it out. And this side too, pull down, pull it out. Now this watch, the pins come right out. All right. So you gotta be careful. As the original watch, they're made within. Before you put your watch band on, you want to make sure you have it positioned right. I have the class on my 6 o'clock here, so that's where I want it. So what I'm going to do is flip these both over. Get your watch band, and actually I got to flip it on this side here. I'm going to turn it around to get it better so my nail could get in there. I feel it. Get one side in first. Push that in there. Alright, use your nail. Alright, there it goes. Alright, it's in there snug. Okay, get your other side. Again, I'm going to go back here. I feel more comfortable this way here. Alright, got it in. Using my nail, go down, and it went in quicker. Okay? Alright, and let's see here. Let's put this on here. Now I like my watch on my front here, on top of my palm, rather than the inside. Okay, I'm going to go one more tighter there. And I like the fact that it has two of these clasp holders here, the band holders. Alright. Let me zoom out here. Not too bad. I like this. Oh, let's get the front face on. It actually matches the front face. Feels good. Actually, I might loosen it one more. And you can see on my other watch, original, those class holders here, band holders, were already gone. I already lost those already. So that's how you pretty much put these on. All right. What's good is if you have a small hand, or I mean a small wrist or large wrist, you have all this here to go tighter or looser here. Right. When I see looking at this band, the black one, it pretty much is exactly like the original. You can see the texture. Let me get a little closer. You can see the texture at a 45-degree angle. They both have that there. And they pretty much start at the same place on the class holders, the class openings there. So this looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and put this one on. Actually, you know what? I'm going to put the green one on, just to show a different color besides black. All right. Got the 6 o'clock on my class on the right. That's where I want this. Actually, it's upside down. Okay. Turn it upside down. All right. I chose these styles here. This is a 4-pack by that brand. All right, got it in there. Let's put it on. Well, I'm having trouble because it's a new band. I'm used to the very loose. All right, let's move these things here. These two things, man, they make a big difference in making sure your watch is secure, you don't lose it. All right, there you go. That's how the green one looks. It actually looks pretty nice. All right, I like that. And again, these all come in different colors and shapes here. So, from my original broken band to the band that I bought for more classic look or more, I guess, elegant look, this was pretty nice. But now that I can interchange them and their prices are very reasonable, I'm going to be doing that. So this was pretty good. If you're interested in purchasing any of these items, I listed the Amazon links for you to purchase in the description down below. Thank you for supporting this channel by hitting the subscribe button, selecting all notifications for upcoming videos. I also do dashcam videos, HDMI splitter videos, and other cool gadgets. And if you like this video, give me that thumbs up, and I appreciate that from you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.